welcome. This is Mike Jack with MnREIA and Real Estate Promo, another Flip It Friday video. And today I want to talk about gutters and water problems outside. In this particular property here, we had a water problem. So we had a big storm happen the other day, and this window here, water was running in. So this is about 3 weeks ago, water was running into the basement from here, and we got moisture down in the basement. So we fixed that by a couple different things. One, the gutters were just packed. I mean, they were covered with stuff. They were just thick in there. So that the water wasn't fitting in there and it was running over the edges. And so it was not running down the downspouts. There was no water coming out the downspout. That's how plugged these things were. So the water was running over the edge, and then from there it was running down that window. So we fixed that. We cleaned the gutters out, cleaned out the downspouts. And then the other thing we did here is, if you can bring the camera up, the dirt was up to the edge of the window. Even though it's a newer window, when whoever did this and they filled it back up, they put the dirt right up to here. So even though this got filled up, the water was running right in. So we cleaned that, dug it out a little bit deeper, and that took care of the water problem. So whenever you see water problems like that, look to try to identify gutters, where you can get the water to run away. If you can get the water to run away from a property, that's ideal. You want it going away. You do not want the water running back towards the house, like in this case. And then we did the same thing around the other windows around the back side of the property. And then also we have this egress window here, and there's this cover, and this cover was not installed. It was sitting in the garage, and I couldn't figure out what it was for. So with this egress, I just looked at it. I'm like, you know what, that looks like a cover for egress. I brought it out here and put it on there, and that covered that up. So we got water, rain coming down here. But even though when the water came in that day, we didn't get any water in here, but I put that window well cover back over it. And then the biggest thing is I just cleaned out these gutters. So if you don't have gutters on a property, that really helps you get the water to run away. And then we just had a really big storm the other night, and everything was dry in the basement. So little things like that to get the water to run away from the property is going to go a long ways in saving your basements. So if you guys like these videos, please like and share, and we'll see you back here next week with another Flip It Friday video.